how cute!
Hi, welcome to the journey where art meets devotion. Today I am sharing the process of painting Ma Durga and her divine family on the humble yet sacred bay leaf.
Here are 5 bay leaves.
Most people know this as a finishing touch of a pot of biryani or fried rice. But we will paint on that today. People have told me it's too small, too fleeting. They have said my talent should be on a bigger stage, maybe a louder one. But today, to be seen, you have to be loud. But what if the greatest art is found not in the size of the canvas, but in the heart of an artist? Bay leaf, a symbol of strength, protection, and purification. The bay leaf becomes the canvas for the goddess, who embodies all these qualities and more. The idea came from a desire to connect nature, tradition, and divine art. Each leaf I chose was carefully dried and prepared to hold not just paint but also prayer. Materials I used: fine brush and acrylic colors. I began with Ma Durga at the center, surrounded by her children Ganesha, Kartika, Saraswati, and Lakshmi on each of their own bay leaf.
The sketching had to be extremely delicate. Bay leaves are fragile and uneven, so every line had to be precise. I started with Ma Durga, her calm yet powerful expression, her 10 arms holding divine weapons, and her mount, the lion. Here, each stroke is meditation. The paint flows, and with it, reverences. Next came to her children: Ganesha, the remover of obstacle; Kartika, the god of war and courage; Lakshmi, goddess of wealth; Saraswati, goddess of wisdom. Details are where the soul of the painting lives. The eyes must speak, the ornaments must shine, but not loudly. I used a tiny brush for intricate patterns and sometimes even a toothpick for the finest detail. Here, there are Ma Durga and her divine family manifested on nature's own canvas. This project reminded me that the devotion doesn't always need temples or rituals. Sometimes a leaf, a brush, and a prayer are enough. Art becomes a form of worship, and nature becomes a part of that. They say we live two lives: the one we show to the world, and the one we live for ourselves. For me, the first life, the corporate life, is a world of deadlines and demands of tasks that must be checked off a list. It's a good life, a full one, but it belongs to someone else. My other life, the one that feels like coming home, begins when the clock strikes at 10 p.m. And about the bay leaf, most people know this as a finishing touch, a quiet hero in a pot of biryani. But when I hold it, I don't see a spice. I see a canvas. Not a grand, sweeping canvas meant for a gallery wall, but a tiny, delicate stage for a story that's been waiting to be told. My worlds aren't so separate after all. The focus I bring to a complex project by day, the patience for a challenge, I pour it all into these little leaves. And so, I give you this, a piece of my soul, painted on a leaf, meant for a spice rack. This isn't just a painting, it's a testament to the part of us that feels a way to create. No matter how live we are, no matter how much life demands for us, it's a celebration of the artist who work in the quiet hours, fueled by passion, not fame. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in most unexpected places if a simple bay leaf can hold gods, imagine what you can do with your own passion. इस पेंटिंग का आइडिया आया जब मैं मेरा ऑफिस में बैठी थी और बोर हो रही थी क्योंकि मेरे पास काम नहीं था। तब मेरा ट्रेनर मुझे पेन और पेपर दिया और बोला चल जी ले अपना ज़िंदगी। तो मैं भी बढ़िया बना लिया एक माँ दुर्गा का ड्राइंग। उसके बाद मेरा अतरंगी दिमाग में एक ख्याल आया कि क्यों ना हम इसको बे लीफ के ऊपर ट्राई करें, और देखो कर भी लिया मैंने। So now you can see that almost I have completed the body, clothes and the coloring of mount. Now I am doing the outline by using black fabric color, and I have only used one brush for this. So I am doing that detailing. I have to be very much careful when I'm doing the detailing because it's really a very small space to draw anything. So whenever you are drawing on a small space, you have to be more focused and you have to be more careful, because if you miss something, then the whole masterpiece can become a mess. You can't fix that after coloring. So be very careful if you are trying to recreating like this. I have seen many cringe posts have become viral, but I didn't see any views or like for this type of painting or anything. If happens also, then the count of the art video or educational video is very much less compared to that cringe one. But I don't know why people like this, but artists also try to entertain you. So please watch their videos too and support them. Anyways, if you are supporting or not, artists will create art, because for artists it's really irritating and they don't get any fun when they only consume. Artists love to create artworks. So if you support or not, they will continue their works. But your support can push them much to make many more artworks, and you also can see many more creative artworks from them. So for their motivation only you can support the artist. The painting is almost done. It's the second last step. So I have completed this painting. Maybe it's taken more than 10 hours, not more than 10 hours. It's taken at least 9 hours. Now you can see the final look of the painting. See how it become in a bay leaf. Isn't it beautiful? Let me know in the comment.
Thank you for being with this artistic journey. If it's resonated with you, then please do like, share and subscribe. May Ma Durga bless you with wisdom and peace. And may the art find a way into your soul. Until the next time, stay creative, stay focused. Bye bye.